especially welcome you today to our weekly analysis. Okay, so let's look at the dollar index, that's the DXY, and let's see what direction it is pointing, and then probably use it to determine the directional bias for the new week. So I hope you were part of the weekly review, okay, because I made some I gave some instructions on what we're going to be doing this week. So obviously DXY is most likely going to be bullish. It may just give a little bit of retracement before confirming the bull move. So but first of all, we're going to wait for the bearish retracements up to this liquidity side before we go on the bull. So that will make us find buys. Okay, we're going to find buys on GU first. Then when the bearish retracement starts on DXY, we're going to look for when the bullish retracement starts on DXY, then we'll look for the bearish move that may come down up to the next downside liquidity, which is here. So first move, I said DXY may go bearish, so GU will go bullish. Okay, so you can see it may go bullish. I don't know if it will get here, but I'll give updates on the group. Then there's going to be a bearish retracement, which will cause DXY to go. There's going to be a bullish move for DXY that will cause GU to come bearish down to the downside liquidity. So get ready for that, but I will be giving you update. All these things have timing. They may not happen immediately, so watch out for when I give time. So for EU, we will not go in immediately because EU does not have a clear directional bias. Though the downside liquidity has been tested previously, this upside has not really been tested. So because of that, I'm going to wait for this upside to be taken out before confirming the bull move. Okay, so I will not be buying, neither will I be selling until I see what price will do to this liquidity and this liquidity before I will now know what EU. But just remember that if the DXY is going bearish, EU is supposed to go bullish. Okay, so but that's only when there is a full confirmation. Now for gold is not giving me the downside liquidity for the buy. Okay, so because of that, I will not buy gold yet. There's no liquidity for me, so I can't find my entry. So what I'm going to do on gold, because it's obviously bullish, I'm going to wait for the bearish retracement, of which the bearish retracement may give me the bear confirmation for liquidity, and then I may most likely find a bearish entry that will bring me up to this liquidity side. I will only be willing to buy gold from this side, but if I find the bearish retracement giving me a new liquidity around this side, of which I'm anticipating that, look at it. So I use my Fibonacci to spot the network is a little bit slow. I wanted to use the Fibonacci to spot the gold move, but the tool is not appearing. Let me refresh my network quickly. Okay, but if you look even without the Fibonacci tool, you look just with your plain eyes, if you understand what you're doing, you will know that this was the previous low and this is the current high. Okay, so and price is supposed to trade into the discount zone before we consider any buy move. Okay, I'm still refreshing the network. I think it should be back now. Okay, so price is supposed to trade into the discount zone before we are talking of any buy. and until it trades into that zone and gives me my confirmation, I will not be buying. So until price trades into this discount zone, I will not be looking for buys. Then even if it trades into this zone, I will need my bullish liquidity confirmation before I find my buys. So that's the condition on gold. So we're going to take a hold on gold until maybe probably on Tuesday. So the Monday market will give me a clear directional bias. So for BTC, I know I haven't said anything on BTC in a while. That's because my hands were a little bit full during the last week trade. But it's very clear BTC has been bullish, but it looks like it's currently retracing for a bearish move. So this liquidity may hold this price, though it has been tested before. It's under a condition. So I'm going to wait to see what price will do from this point and whether it's going to take out this liquidity before I look for the bearish move down here. But if this liquidity is able to hold the bullish move, I'll be looking forward to buying BTC up to this point. And then if we go down to Ethereum and BTC most times act like GU and EU. So if I come to Ethereum, you see that Ethereum is currently on an upside liquidity. I'll be concerned because this is a range. It's looking like it wants to retrace. I may want to see what price will do here. If this liquidity will hold price, then I'll sell at high, buy at low, see how I can follow the range. Then once price breaks out the upside or the downside, then I'll have a directional bias, okay, of which if it breaks this downside, I'll be expecting to go bearish up to this liquidity, and if it breaks the upside, I'll be expecting to go bullish, and that may give us a very massive boost. Let me confirm that on the historical side. Now let me see. I don't know if this liquidity is viable. No, it's not, because it's been tested. Okay, this one, okay, no, they've all been tested. So if price for any reason goes bullish, then we're going long on Ethereum. Going long on Ethereum because Ethereum will be coming up to this upside. To be coming up to this upside. So, and that will be massive. So watch out for that update. When I give the update, make sure you don't miss it. So, but I will be interested to see what price will do when it gets here. It's tested it more than 4 times. Okay, 3 times. So let's see what price will do when it gets here again. If we check it out, let it be our confirmation for the long bullish move. Alright, so that will be all on Forex and crypto. On the synthetics, I posted a beautiful signal for Boom 500 last night. It did not initiate my entry because I went down because I didn't want to risk so much in that entry, but it went straight to take profits. He has even exceeded take profit, of which if I had caught that move, it would have been massive. It looks very short, looks very small, but you know, synthetics can be very volatile, so they're just giving me a good money for the weekend. Now look at what I'm talking about. It got initiated from the entry I posted, but now it did not initiate from my own personal entry. I saw Boom going, you know, bullish, but I was expecting a retracement first before continuing bullish, so that was defiled. So now I'm going to look out for the retracement since this liquidity side has been taken out. But look at what I mean. From the entry, definitely it got initiated. You can see from the liquidity point and went straight to take profit. Beautiful entry, massive profit. But for me, I was looking at price coming in a little bit for my own entry because of the amount of money I was risking. So I took my entry point a little bit down and it got very close to it, but did not initiate, so I missed that. So for those of you who caught this move, congratulations. Okay, So please look out for more updates. No entry yet on crash. I haven't posted volatility 25 of late and all the rest of them, but watch out for the updates on the group. Thank you. See you soon.